Access interface, adding, editing, and deleting records. We are still using the distribution company database from our wiki page, adding, editing, and deleting records. Whenever you make any changes, additions, deletions, or edits to a table, it is the original data file that you are altering. Unlike most other applications, a database does not make a working copy of the file first. For this reason, it is essential to keep a backup copy of your file, to which you can always return, just in case you make mistakes when carrying out amendments. To add a new record to the database, use a new button on the status bar or in the records group on the home tab of the table. You can also press Ctrl+. New records are always added at the end of the existing data. As soon as you start to type, Access creates a new empty record, marked with an asterisk, while the current record indicator changes from an arrow to a pencil. Open the copy of employees table. Click on the New button. You should now be on record 10. Type in your own name inside last name and first name, since employee code is automatically set by design. Press Enter or right arrow or Tab to move between fields. Repeat step 2 until you have filled out most of the record. Note that some fields already have a default value. To change a value in a field, you simply type in a new one. Note also that some fields, for example date of birth, can only accept certain values. Others, for example first name, cannot be left blank. The photograph field can hold a picture. The best way to add one is via the clipboard, for example, copy and paste. If you right-click on the field and choose Insert Object, then it may appear as an icon, which you then have to double-click to open. As pictures cannot be displayed in tables anyway, don't try filling out this field here. Note: the best method for entering data is via a form, which you will be meeting later. To delete the current record, in this case your own, simply press the Delete key or use the Delete button to the right of New on the ribbon and choose Delete Record. Deleting records from a database is potentially very dangerous as they are erased once and for all. Hence, you are given one final chance to change your mind. Press Enter for yes to confirm the deletion. Note that you can now use Undo to recover the record. If you have several records to delete, using the mouse, point to the left-hand edge of the first record to delete. You will find that the mouse cursor changes to an arrow. Hold down the mouse button, then record is marked, then drag to the records required. To delete them, press the Delete key or use the Delete button. When asked to confirm the deletions, this time click on No and the records will reappear. Note: records must be next to each other in order to delete them. You cannot use Control-click like you can in other Microsoft software, though Shift-click can be used to select a block of records. You will see next how to select a subset of non-contiguous records, which you could then delete.